And welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'm going to show you around this approved used Volkswagen Tiguan. This is the 2-litre TDI SE nav. It's also 4MOTION and DSG automatic. So I'll give you a look at the headlights. And you've got your really nice alloy wheels. It's finished in a deep black pearlescent paint. It looks absolutely fantastic in this colour. And you've also got the chrome window surrounds and roof rails as well. Just give it that sporty look. Really well looked after. Covered just over 24,500 miles from new, so it is fairly low mileage for a car of this age. Inside the boot you can see there's absolutely bags of space in there, so you definitely won't be struggling to fit any of your belongings in there. And then you've got the grab rail as well to pull down. And you can see you've got the 4MOTION badge, so that means it's all-wheel drive, which is perfect, especially in the winter months. Should give you another close-up of those alloys. So inside the rear, as you can see, there's plenty of room in there, so it would be an ideal family car. You've got the really nice quilted cloth seats, and you have got the trays on the backs of the seats as well. So it's perfect for putting the kids' lunches on, or for books or iPads, anything like that. And then they fold away really easy as well. So I'll get in the car and I'll start it up and I'll show you some of the features it's got on the inside. So inside you've got your touchscreen display. You've got your app connect, so you can connect your phone with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay or MirrorLink, depending on what phone you've got. You've also got your sat-nav system, which is really clear and easy to use. And your digital radio. Underneath there you have got 3-zone climate control. And it's automatic, so you've got your automatic gear stick down here. If I pop that into reverse, you can see you've got front and rear parking sensors, so it's perfect for getting in and out of those awkward spaces. You have also got your driver mode selection, so you can choose between the different modes depending on how you want the car to feel when you're driving. If I bring you around, you see you've got the really nice silver dash and door inserts. And a really cool feature is the electric panoramic sunroof. To open, you just pull the toggle backwards and it opens really quickly and it lets so much light flood into the car. It looks absolutely stunning. And then to close, you just pull forward. Perfect for those lovely sunny days. And you've also got the electric sun blind as well, so if you pop that forward, it'll close. So if it's a little bit too sunny, you can take the edge off. And as you can see, it's really quick as well, so you won't waste much time. I'll just give you a close-up of the seats. So as you can see, they're in a really lovely condition. There's no marks or anything on any of the cloth. Really comfortable, but they still look really cool as well. Over to your steering wheel, you have got your adaptive cruise control, lane assist and front assist, automatic lights, and you've got heated and folding door mirrors as well, just to give you that little bit of security on narrow roads. So I really hope you like the car. If you've got any questions or you are interested, please give us a call. Thank you.